How to make your own ringtone on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open Safari or whatever browser you are using on your iPhone, and you have to simply search for audio extractor. Simply type in audio extractor and it will open up like this. You have to go for the first one and make sure you have a downloaded video in which music exists that you want to set as a ringtone. So once you are here, as you can see, open video, simple click on it and go for the photo library and select that screen recording or a downloaded video that you want to use as a music, and it will loads up like this. But make sure you click on this iPhone ringtone, and when it completes blue I have to click on this extract audio. Now click on it and this will take you to this download section. Click on it, click on download, and it will download it to your gallery. So once you are done, you have to go to your GarageBand and it will open like this, so you can tilt the screen. So once you are here, you have to click on this plus icon on the top and click on this new one. So once you have entered here, you have to click on this plus icon on the top and go for this loops. Now you have to select your own loops by going in files on the top, and if you can't see your files, you have to go for the browse item from files and click on downloads, and there is my file, and drag and drop it. So now you have to simply save it. Click on this file and this will save it like this. So now you have to hold it and you have to go for this share song. Click on it and simply click on this ringtone and it will set it as a ringtone. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to make your own ringtone on iPhone.